Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to share with you all the makeup and beauty items that I bought this month, and since this is the last video for September, I thought this is the right time to share with you all these products. Now you all know that I went little crazy last month in August because it was my birthday and I bought a lot of makeup. In case you haven't watched both my makeup haul videos, I will be linking them down in the description box below, or maybe towards the end of the video somewhere on the screen. And in this video I think I have 8 to 10 products to show you all. So yeah, without wasting any more time or without making this intro any longer, let's just begin with the video. The very first product is from Sephora and it is the Benefits Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I have got in the shade 5 and I was eyeing on this product from a really long time, but since it is little expensive, so I didn't bought it last month, but since it was there on my mind, so I got it this time. And this is how the product looks like. And this is in the shade 5 and this is a very dark brown color. You have product on one side and it is very nice. It has a waxy consistency, so you don't need anything else to set your brows, and on the other side you get a very nice spoolie to brush off your brows. So yeah, I've also applied it on my brows today. I really like this product and this retails for 2050 rupees. And the second product is this gorgeous eyeshadow from Sephora. This is the in-house brand and this is how it looks. This is a very nice champagne kind of a color and I will swatch it for you all. I really like this product because see how gorgeous the color is. This color will go with every skin tone, and also this will go with your western outfit as well as your Indian outfit. Since festive season is around the corner, so I think this eyeshadow I can use this eyeshadow to create different looks. And this retails for 970 rupees, little pricey for a single eyeshadow, but I would not have bought it if this was not on sale. So they had an offer on this, buy one and get one free. So I picked one and one my friend picked up. So I got it for 485 rupees. Next up I got two products from Nykaa from the brand Maybelline. So Nykaa had flat 30% off on Maybelline just for one day. So I thought of restocking on my favorite products. So the first product I got is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is my one of the favorite foundations and I recommend this to everyone. In case you want to know my shade number, I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude and this retails for 500 rupees. But yeah, it wasn't 30% off, so I think it was for around 300 rupees. And the next product is my favorite kajal again from Maybelline. So this is the Colossal Super Black Kajal and this retails for 300 rupees. And then I got two products from Nykaa store during my visit to Indore. So I got one nail paint from them. So this is a very nice nude color. I have applied it on my nails today. I really like it. Don't mind my short nails, but the color is very nice and this is your everyday nude color. Since the shade name is not mentioned, it's kind of not there on this slip, so the number is 171 and this retails for 175 rupees. And the next product I got from Nykaa store is their latest launch, which is the macaroon lip balm. And look how cute the packaging is. I really love macaroons and pink color, as you all know, so I got this immediately. I saw this on the counter, so I picked up pink obviously because this is my favorite color, and this is how it looks. It smells amazing, it's very nice, and it also moisturizes my lips really well. This is in the strawberry variant and this retails for 265 rupees. Next I bought two products from Myntra. So Myntra had a crazy sale for 2 days. So for the first one day I didn't even open the website because I thought if I'll open it, I'll obviously end up buying some product. So when it was the second day and it was last few hours of the sale, I thought to just give it a try, and then I came across really amazing deals. So I picked two products. I really controlled myself and ordered just two products. So the first product I got is from Maybelline. This is their Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Now I have this concealer, but I have in a very light shade, so I use it for highlighting, but I wanted to buy a little dark shade, so I picked up this one. This is in the shade medium and this is how it looks. This retails for 650 rupees and yeah, the concealer is really nice. It blends really well, so you should also give it a try in case you're looking for concealer. And then the second product I got is from Makeup Revolution. So Makeup Revolution had a crazy discount on their eyeshadow palettes, so I picked up their one one of the famous eyeshadow palettes, and I'm talking about this one. This is the Makeup Revolution Fortune Favors the Brave palette, and it is a gorgeous palette. Look at the outer packaging of the product. It looks really nice, and this is how the actual product looks like. 10 on 10 points on the packaging. I really like it, though it's a plastic packaging, but it's really sturdy and I really like it, how gorgeous it is. And moving on to the product inside, you get a plastic wrapper like this which has all the shade names and numbers written, and then you get a brush. So normally you get those sponge brushes in the eyeshadow palettes which are of no use, but in this one you get really nice small blending brush, so I think I can use this one. And then you get a very nice size mirror which is really useful while traveling, and I will be using it during making my makeup videos. And then coming on to the products, this is how the palette looks like. This is really gorgeous. It has 30 shades in total, and you have all matte shades and shimmer shades mixed in it, and it has all warm shades, neutral shades, and also some dark shades. So I really like this palette, and I bought it specially because of these shades right here, the olive green and the purple. I don't have anything in any of my palettes, so I picked this up, and I would like to swatch few of the colors for you all so that you can also see how gorgeous it is. The pigmentation is also really nice. So this is how the color looks like. I hope you can see it. It's really pigmented, really soft, and gives a good color payoff. I have used it today on my eyes. I have used two of the shades. One is this purple and one is this one. Like I mixed these two. So I really like this palette, and you'll be seeing me creating looks with this palette really soon. This palette actually retails for 1950 rupees, but since it was on off, so I got it for 11.95, which was a really good deal. Next, I bought two products from Miniso. So this time I picked up perfumes from them. So I've heard really good reviews about Miniso perfumes, so I thought to give it a try. I picked up this Champagne Life perfume for myself, which is a 50 ml bottle, and this retails just for 350 rupees. And this is how the bottle looks like. This is a rose gold bottle and looks so pretty, and the fragrance is also really nice. I'm very bad at explaining the fragrances, so I will not give it a try, like how does it smell, but it smells amazing, I can tell you that. And it also lasts for a really long time. So a perfume for 350 rupees which smells really good and also lasts for a really long time is a really good deal. So if you have Miniso store near your place, do give it a try. I've also picked one more perfume for my husband. So my husband is little choosy with his perfumes, but I thought in case he will not like it, I will use it for my gym. But to my surprise, he also loved it. And I've noticed one thing about Miniso perfumes is that the fragrances were very much similar, like your high-end fragrances. So I have a lot of perfumes from Burberry, Chanel and other brands, so it was kind of similar, so that was a good point. And this one that I have, this smells something similar to my Victoria's Secret perfume. So yeah, 350 for such a nice perfume is a good deal. So yeah, do give it a try if you have a Miniso store nearby. The products that I'm going to show you all now are not bought by myself, but rather I won these products in a giveaway on a channel called My Sindulgence. So she was sweet enough to send this goodie bag to me, and I will show you all what all products I have in here. So first, I really love this cute and rose gold pouch, and then in this I have 3-4 products. So the first one is from Biotiques. This is the Biotique Bio Papaya scrub wash. So I have not used Biotique products other than one makeup remover, so I'm really looking forward to try this one. And the next product is also from Biotique, and this is the Biotique Bio Cucumber Toner. And yeah, I'm looking forward to try this one as well, though I have new toners right now, but it's good to add new products to your kitty. And then the third product is this is my favorite mascaras. This is from Maybelline, the Lash Sensational. So I always use this mascara, and I'm glad that I got this because now I don't have to purchase a new one for myself. I have a backup already. And then the last product is a lipstick which is from the brand called Kiko. Now I only own one product from Kiko, which is a foundation, but this is my very first, this is my very first lipstick from Kiko, and also the color is very different. The color that you're seeing right now on my lips is the color that I got. This is how the outer packaging looks like, and this is the color of the lipstick. Now I have never owned or never worn a purple color lipstick, but yeah, I'm wearing it today and I'm really liking it. So Drishti, if you're watching this, thank you for all the products, and I really love this purple color. So these were all the products for this haul. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, do give this video a big fat thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red subscribe button down below, and also by clicking on the little bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever I upload next. Until we meet next, take care guys. Thanks for watching. Mwah.